Hi friends, good evening. Now in this video we are going to discuss about naming your offers. So first thing first, why naming is important. Let me share with you a one psychological principle to make this concept more clear. All of us have read that people who people are generally drawn towards the people who resemble them. Basically, like attracts like. It is a sales principle also. Like attracts like. So we are naturally drawn towards people who resemble to us, who are similar to us. Why? Because human beings are primed like that only. Initially, people used to live in herds. Similarity indicates trust. Similarity indicates fraternity. Ki I am similar to him, it means we are from the same fraternity and I can trust him. That's why we are naturally drawn towards people who are similar to us. So, here, when you name an offer, it should be such that your target audience, it should resonate with your target audience basically. They should feel like it's yes, it is for them. It should resonate with your target audience and they should feel like yes, it is for them. And this is one of the reason why naming is important. Now let me explain you with another example. For example, there are two things. 6 Listen carefully. 6 week stress free challenge, and on the other hand, center tank system. Both the things are essentially selling the same: stress free challenge and tank system. Both are selling the same thing, but on one hand, the stress free challenge resonates with you to a greater extent, connects with you to a greater extent. You are more likely to listen to it and buy it from it. On the other hand, if you look the other name which I told you, you will not be able to resonate and understand it. And naming, first reason, it makes your offer resonates with your audience, so that your audience feels excited to know more about it, and your audience feels compelled to learn about it. Number one. Number two, all of us know that even though this is not right, but 99% of people judge a book by its cover. All of us know. We all judge a book by its cover. So the thing is, naming an offer is like basically wrapping your offer in a presentable format that can catch the attention of your audience, that can immediately tell them yes, it is for them. That's why naming is so much important. Now, third reason why naming is important: the era in which we are living is the era of distraction. Everywhere you go, there is a lot of distraction. Everyone is trying to grab the attention of your target audience. So, your offer, your the name should be such short and punchier that immediately it will tell your target audience that yes, it is for them. It will grab their attention and tell them that yes, this is for you. Why? Because the attention span is less and there is a lot of competition. lot of people are competing for your target audience attention, and you are don't think just small entrepreneurs are there. Everybody wants the attention of your audience. Everybody wants to catch the attention of your audience. For example, these big brands, Nike, Adidas, Netflix, they all want your audience attention, and now you are competing against these people. So see how much powerful your name should be, how much compelling your name should be, that will immediately tell your people that yes, this is for you. This offer is for you and I will get the benefit. That is the importance of offer. Third reason why offer is important: to grab the attention. Now moving on to the fourth reason. The fourth reason is, see, there is one thing called offer fatigue. Now, what is offer fatigue? If an offer is going on, same name for example, is going on for a period of year, 2 year, 3 years, then what will happen is that people become immune to that offer. They think, yeah, what it is the same thing that we are seeing. Basically, this also happens in ad fatigue, creative fatigue. If they are seeing the same ad, same creative repeatedly, same hook, same marketing message repeatedly, they become immune to it and they stop responding to it. So the offer starts going down even though it is a valuable offer. Similarly, offers also have fatigue. 2 3 years down the line, the offers start losing its attention grabbing power. Why? Because they have listened to that offer, to that name so many times that they become immune to it. So what you can do? You need to rename the offer, refresh its name, only change its wrapper. So naming your offer also helps you to basically counter creative this offer fatigue, counter offer fatigue. Renaming your offer, it will help you that if your offer, basically if it is going towards fatigue, you will refresh it, your audience will feel that yes, this is something new. But technically speaking, the inside material is the same. You are just changing the wrapper, you are just changing the wrapper. Inside material is exactly the same, or there are minor tweaks in it. So the fourth reason is help you tackle offer fatigue. Now here is important disclaimer. If your audience has seen your offer 1 or 2 times, it does not mean that that offer has fatigued. It does not mean. As per marketing data, to convert a prospect, cold prospect, you need at least 7 touch points. So we can safely assume that they need to listen about your offer at least 7 times. If they are cold prospect, at least 7 times they need to listen. This is data, I am not cooking up, you can Google it. What the data suggests is that to convert a cold prospect, you need at least 7 touch points. So you can safely assume, we can assume that we need at least 7 points, at least 7 times they need to listen to about our same offer. So offer fatigue is not that if they have listened to us, listened to our offer 1 or 2 times, they will the offer will fatigue. This is not the case. Even at least 7 times. So what you can do is, keeping the offer name same, you need to come up with fresh hooks, fresh creative ideas, fresh ad copies, and basically fresh video and image creatives. You need to change this. Same offer is there. Like in mobile numerology, our offer is running from close to 6 months that we have changed. So the offer is same, design your lucky mobile number and transform your life. But yes, every week or two we keep on changing our creatives. We see the say the offer present the same thing, offer is same, but the creative change because creatives fatigue faster than the offer. So 4 reasons why naming is important. Then important disclaimer that offer fatigue is different from creative fatigue. Creative, you need to come up with new creatives every week and show same offer to your audience at least 7 times as per marketing data. 7 touch points they need. Now moving on to the next step, how do you name your offer? There is a simple formula given in this book, $100 million Offers by Alex Hormozy, and I will be reiterating that formula, and then in future videos we will dive deep into that formula. It is called magic formula, magic headline formula. M stands for magnetic reason why. Basically why, I will tell you everything in detail. M stands for magnetic reason why, means why you are running the promotion and what's in it for them. Number 1. A stands for avatar call out. What is your avatar? Like in our case, business persons and working professionals are our target audience, are our avatar. So what is your avatar call out? MA. G, give them the goal. What is the goal? I, indicate the time frame. I stands for indicating the time frame. And then comes C, container. Basically container words, you end with container words like blueprint, challenge, boot camp. These are all container words. So this is the magic headline formula. But whenever you are creating the name for your offer, you need to keep in mind this formula, but also remember that you will not be able to use all the elements, all the 5 elements. The shorter and punchier, the shorter the punchier, the better it is. Always remember, the shorter the name, the punchier the name, the better it is. So start with magic formula. Try to keep shorter the name short and punchier. Okay. Third, write a lot of names and then test them out one by one. This is very much important. Don't just write one name and sit. Write a lot of names and then keep testing them one at a time. 3 things. And now, to summarize everything, naming is important so that your offer resonates with your audience. They are immediately able to know that it is for them and helps you tackle offer fatigue. How you name the offer? By using the magic formula that I will be talking about in the next video. Remember that shorter the better it is. And then the fundamental postulate behind this is that you are just changing the wrapper. You are just changing the name. Inside the components, everything are the same. They are not changed. Everything is same. You are just changing the wrapper, outer covering. And remember, offer fatigue is different from creative fatigue. I hope this video adds value. Till then, bye bye.